Ow. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Look. Oh no. I knocked a seat over. Time to make an update video. So, as you can see, the Volvo is now at the shop. That is good. An update on my eye issue, the blepharospasm. I believe that was my last video. It's getting better. I figured out that taking N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, NAC, you can get it at essentially any store, really helps. So that's good. That's a thing that I'm doing. It's gotten much better. Maybe I should go down here. God, this car is a fucking tank. So, my eyes are getting better. The shop. I work 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, as long as I can, every single day. Very difficult to get to the shop because I work here and the shop is way the fuck over here. It's essentially a 45-minute drive with no traffic. So I'm here every Sunday. Sundays are my day off, every Sunday. And if I have a day off during the week, or if I can get off early enough, like say 3:30 on a weekday, I'll just come straight here, get a few hours in, clean stuff up. The shop is slowly getting cleaned up. Like where you're at, there used to be 2 cars. And I pushed them both outside, and now we have more room. I have a welder, I have a tumbler, so I can tumble steel and aluminum, essentially any material apart that I make. I have nice cabinets on this side, which are sort of disorganized, but they're more organized than anything else. The OOSE, the dead OOSE, is right here, and it's just gonna sit there for a while. And then that'll be a future video where we actually do stuff with it. I made sort of a living room area back there with a nice couch and nice lights, big TV and whatnot. And essentially it's just so that I can make CAD models of parts and I can post programs for the machines that I run at work in my free time. And yeah. Updates to the shop, updates. What do we got? What do we got? It's getting cleaner. I'm getting, it's getting better. I'm getting less and less free stuff every day to fill the shop. So now I have time to organize and prioritize and make things and fix things. So yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on. This is gonna be a really short video. In the next video, I will be welding up fenders on that white Miata because I need to do that. I have a welder and I have a grinder and I just need to do that and get it over with. That has been bugging me so much. It's not even my car, it's just the state of the fenders. You know, where they're cut for over fenders and then they like cut tabs into the part that they cut and bend them up over the inside of the fender. As far as everyone's been telling me, that is the way to do it, but in my mind that is wrong. That is some horrible, shoddy, shitty work. And I understand if you don't have a welder, if you don't have the experience to do it properly to the point where it looks stock, like it looks like it came from the factory under that over fender, then that's really your only option. But god damn, no, I am not going to stand for that. I'm not letting that person take his car with those shitty fenders. So next video, I'll be trimming them and welding on a nice seam, making those look really nice. Painting them too, yeah, I'm gonna paint them so that it looks really nice. That's pretty much the update. In other news, I have to have a root canal done within the next 2 weeks, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. That's not something you ever want. I cut my hand really badly, and you can't see it, it didn't bleed, but I can feel it opening and closing, and dirt's in there right now, and it fucking stings. Stings like a motherfucker. Yeah. So this is January. No, this is February. I don't fucking know what day it is. This is February 4th. The video will be posted on the 5th or the 6th. I am setting goals for myself in this video right now. By the end of this year, by the end of 2020, by December 31st, 2020, I need to have at least one 3-axis CNC machine, one air compressor, one air dryer, and at least be making something here at the shop to sell that brings in at least half the rent. That is my goal. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching me struggle to accomplish that over the next year, over the next 11 months. Wait, February 4th? 2 days ago was the 1-year anniversary of when this car was crashed. Happy anniversary, OOSE. Alright, so yeah, I think that's about it. I set a goal for the year, the shop update, it's getting cleaner. Shop tour really is not a good idea right now because it looks like a hoarder's paradise in here. Yeah, I hope you guys had a good New Year and a great Valentine's Day in the next, what, 2 weeks or so? So that's good. Focus. So yeah, that is my update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, or I won't. Either way, I'm back to actually making videos, and I'm really fucking excited about it. Look at my new welder. It's a Hobart Handler 140. It's small, it's 500 bucks, it runs off of 120, but it fucking kicks ass. Let's see. Look at that. 1/4-inch material. It just fucking does it right nice and quick. It lays some really nice fat beads. So if you're in the market for a welder, Hobart Handler 140, 500 bucks, Amazon, next day shipping. Yeah. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.